So in this video, we want to talk about EVgo. They announced their earnings a couple of days ago, and the stock was seen selling off. Why? Well, let's get right into their earnings report. So the shares are down from the daily chart. They reported their better than expected third quarter revenue and raised its full year outlook. So why was the stock down? Company posted Q3 revenue of $67.5 million. That was up 92% year over year, and that surpassed analyst expectations of $66.56 million. Here's what the CEO had to say. He said he's pleased to report another record quarter anchored by strong revenue and triple-digit year-over-year network throughput growth. The deployment team continued to meet demand head-on, bringing a record number of stalls online in the third quarter. The company added over 270 new operational charging stalls, including EVgo Extend stalls, bringing its total to approximately 3,680 stalls in operation at the end of the quarter. Now, it's all about forward guidance. So EV raised its full year 2024 revenue guidance to 250 to 265 million, and that was up from the previous outlook and above the consensus estimate of 258 million. Company also boosted its adjusted EBITDA forecast. So why did the stock sell off? Well, let's just zoom out to the monthly chart. One thing I want to note, on the chart, price bottomed at $2 in this accumulation phase. It's worth noting price also broke through this downtrend line. Probably more important, or equally important, price formed this monthly buy level. So why did we see price sell off on good news? Well, the stock was up from the lows of May to the most recent high, hitting almost $10, 5x. So was this a buy the rumor, sell the news? You could say that. But typically, prices don't go up in a straight line. You typically get pullbacks before the next impulse move. And that's what I'm anticipating what happened. You know, down here at $4, this monthly buy level, that's where the liquidity is at. You can say that the smart money did not get all their buy orders filled, and so they're pushing price back down. You could also say that when the next subsequent candle, this red candle, opens higher than the previous close, typically you go higher and then go lower. So despite the news, the technical suggested that price was going to sell off. Now you can see this huge move back in September, late September. Not sure what that news was on. However, nested within this monthly buy level, you do have this weekly buy level as well. And so this $4 level is very, very strong. You have levels nested within levels. Let's go down to the daily chart. Here's that gap, which is signified by an extended range candle on the weekly and the monthly time frame. So the charts are suggesting folks should be salivating, waiting for this pullback, wanting this pullback, again, only to get long if and once price gets below $4.50. Look for your first target, if you're going to get long, to come in at $9, which was the previous recent highs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.